So this skirt is too big. It's like 3 inches. So what I make a dart in here. Yeah, there. It's like in the middle of this pocket, a back pocket. So and then I remove this waistband. It's like this. So I'm gonna cut in here. Yeah, and then here. There, because we're gonna open this. Yeah, so we can connect the front and the back, the outside and then the inside. So that is marked in there. So we need to mark in here too. So we're gonna connect this in the top at the bottom, and then sew in here, and then I already make a dart in here. So and then I just do like that there. So it's perfect. Yeah, so that's the one. Then is, so it's done. So you can tell that is repair, except this